The report is completely damn squib. मैंने कहा tweet किया है. I said it's a damn squib. It's completely useless. And they made a big show 2 days before they've announced India something big is coming. And this is all trying to rattle and spook the stock market. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to create a panic in the stock market in advance. Actually, there is nothing. There is no new material against Adani. In fact, the owner of Hindenburg has actually disobeyed the Supreme Court, because the Supreme Court has said that SEBI must have an inquiry into the short sale and any laws in India which are violated. And he has been asked that by SEBI in that connection. And he has not responded to it. Instead of responding to it, he is now attacking the regulator chairperson, Mrs. Buch. That means he has no answer. And he's only repeated some old stuff.
মহেশ জ্যাঠমালানি হিন্ডেনবার্গের রিপোর্ট নিয়ে তীব্র প্রতিরোধ করলেন। তিনি তার ভাষণে বললেন যে হিন্ডেনবার্গের রিপোর্ট প্রত্যেকবারই একটা বিশৃঙ্খলা তৈরি করছে। ধন্যবাদ।